Hey guys, we are back with another video. This time it's a different place. Yes, you're right. We have moved to Bangalore, and from here we are going to Wayanad via Mysore. So we might have a pit stop at Mysore. It's a 6.5 hours journey.
It's a last minute plan. We just decided. So we thought let's go.
And it's currently time is 10:42 a.m. and all set. Angel is here, Trishna is here, car is ready. Short trip compared to what the Bombay trip coming from Bombay.
We used to always travel from Bombay to Wayanad, which used to be like
28-30 hours of drive.
It's going to be a short trip for us. So let's go. To have our lunch now.
And find it's pretty much pet friendly because they didn't say anything when Angel was coming inside.
So Angel is here with us. Where is she? Okay, she's smelling around, and yeah, 4 hours 45 minutes more to go. Choo-choo! On our way, we saw this Tibetan camp, so we thought of going inside and having a look. So we're just entering the Tibetan camp, and let's see what's in there.
Hi. So we have just stopped here at a Tibetan cafe, and as we can see, the name is Namutso Restaurant, and Subin is just going to eat some momos, I guess, and just going to have some coffee. And we really love this place. It's so beautiful. Hi! Is eating the momos, and it's proper pure Tibetan momo, and this is the Tibetan tea, which consists of salt and butter. So yeah, enjoy. So we have entered this nagarhole. I don't know the exact name. Bison.
So
It's a proper jungle, you can see.
So right now we have entered a tiger reserve. As you have seen, they were actually not even allowing us. So because it's evening now, it's going to be
6 o'clock. It's going to close.
So they're going to shut
6 a.m.
down.
to 6 p.m.
And we have to pass this area. So tiger, elephants,
it's
everything
a tiger
around
reserve.
here. It's a tiger reserve.
And dogs are not allowed with the car.
Allowed,
so we have. They only told if any officers are there, hide your dog. Don't. There are cameras on the left and right. hide your dog. So we have hid.
Angel, I've just kept her under my feet because
she's hidden
under my legs. Sorry. So this is going to be like a 32-kilometer stretch, and then we'll be out of this specific reserve, and let's see what all which all animals we get to see. And
bisons we already got it.
Yeah, bisons already we got.
I'm sure elephants also will get to see.
Yeah, we already saw a lot of elephant down. So yeah, let's.
Oh, beautiful. First time.
Oh, they're the big kiddo.
So cute. He's watching.
Mommy elephant is busy eating.
Chale?
Okay. Oh God, this fellow is running behind us. He's right here. He was chasing us. Okay, these guys are right here. See, there you can see. He was chasing us.
Fuck, we got an elephant.
Put the light here. So guys, this is the end of that the tiger reserve. So we are out of it now, and it's closed. This was the last vehicle, and now we have reached Kur. Guys, this is the Kerala border, so there is some checking going on. So let's see what's happening. Subin is gone to fill some. So guys, now we have entered Kerala, and as I showed you the check post, Subin went and spoke to them. They needed the vaccination certificate as well as
they were just okay with single dose also.
Yeah, and also they wanted to check if you have any alcohol and stuff like that.
Because they don't get to drink it themselves.
Yeah, they just basically have this random check of checking for alcohol and. So guys, we have finally reached our destination Wayanad and had a wonderful drive.
Yeah, this is one of the best forest jungle drive which we had.
Yes.
We got an elephant chase which we couldn't capture it, but because of
it was all of a sudden, and
yeah,
this elephant started chasing us. We tried to go back, but then there were too many elephants out there.
Also, cars were coming. This is a small road through the forest,
and
so we couldn't go reverse and
take a risk.
Yeah, again.
So we reached, and then we went to the resort where we always stay, and it's full. Like because of the weekend and festival season, everyone's out, and the resort was full because this was a last minute plan. So anyways, we have come to another resort where
we'll eat something and sleep.
Yeah, and we'll go tomorrow, start our day and show you around Wayanad, and yes, the Unniyappam stall.
Yeah, and Angel is right here.
Okay, we'll show you the room. So that's how it is. Angel, hi, say bye. Okay, so we shall see you all tomorrow. Ciao.
Ciao.